Are you ready to get healthier? Are you ready to learn how to manage stress? Are you ready to learn how to overcome fear and your resistance to change that keeps you from actually achieving your goals? I know I can help you do this because I've created that for myself. Back in 2006, I was divorced, 3 small children, living on food stamps, and this close to being homeless. I had to take the steps to learn how to rebuild my life, to believe in myself. I got help, and that help completely transformed my life, and that help was from a life coach. So I became a life coach about 15 years ago, and I'm not just a life coach. I'm also a beauty expert who's been working with celebrities, helping them with their makeup and their hair and their wardrobe to get ready for movies and television sets and covers of magazines with some of the biggest names in Hollywood and some of the most well-known people in network television. Along the way, I realized that if you don't have a really good self-esteem, self-confidence, then it really will hold you back from living the life that you truly desire.
Michelle is really good at getting people unstuck.
This was the right approach for me at this time because I needed to step back and look at myself and see why I wasn't moving forward. And that's really been what's helping me to take better steps.
I don't think I have ever taken the time out to dream big like that. It's no holds barred, just whatever you can think of. And if you don't have your destination, how are you going to get there?
I described to Michelle that I really wanted to get some coaching individually just so I could find myself again.
And I think just because of Michelle's style and letting us feel safe, I was able to open up more and share.
Michelle, I just wanted to share how much I've enjoyed our evenings together.
Oh.
And tonight was the most impactful, knowing that, everything you covered and what you talk about is what you yourself have gone through and come to the other side, still growing, still learning.
Yeah.
But, that makes a big difference too.
Right in here, in your heart and soul, what do you want? How do you want to live according to you, not what society dictates?
I'm very proud of you. I've been watching you and just seeing your growth and evolution for so many years now and experiencing everything you've gone through. I just want to take a moment to say I'm really proud of you. And thank you for just keeping going. Thank you for doing everything that you're doing. And it's an honor to be here with you. An honor.
Oh, thank you. You can make me cry.
What goes on in here is what comes out here. I can teach you all the beauty tricks in the world, but if you're not doing okay in here and you're not happy in your life and you're not healthy, none of this matters.
Michelle, what you're doing is very helpful. This is our time to soar.
That's what the work is about. It's a life of service. It's not about being a star, So, I love you, Michelle Phillips. Thank you so much.
I love you too.
I am creating a 30-day challenge to help all of you who want to change your lives for the better. You ready? Let's do this.